Nice and lovely. Simple recipe, easy to make at home, and this one is going to be like a very easy one. Empty pot. Okay, now we're gonna put 2 cups of milk inside of the pot. Turn on your stove. We're gonna make a lovely oats porridge today. In the meantime, we're going to simply put some 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt, and a pinch of cinnamon powder, and mixed spice, and also we're going to add some nutmeg, which is a must. Now we're just gonna simply allow it, make it go to the boil for about 10 minutes. I love the mix. Lovely. Just gonna allow that to make it go to the boil for 10 minutes, and then we're going to add our oats. I'm going to be using 3 packs of oats inside of it. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Lovely and nice. So you can see that it's coming up. So what we're going to do now is turn on the stove a little bit low, put in 3 packs of oats. Lovely. So I just want the oats to cook. This doesn't take long, you know what I mean? Take roughly about 10 to 15 minutes everything to prepare it and get it ready. So once it will start to cook, then you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna get thick and thick and thick, alright? But we don't want it too thick, guys. We just want it on once the oats is cooked, we are good to go. See, it's boiling. I like that boiling. It's just boiling really perfect at the moment. So let's turn on the stove turn it on a little bit. Lovely. The reason why I use 3 packs of oats on the milk, and I use 2 cups of milk, because once it starts to get thick, it's gonna get really thick. And the oats gonna suck it up. You know what I mean? Look at that. That is just amazing. Beautiful. I love it. And it doesn't take long. I mean, if you're going to work in the morning, it's simple, get up and do something like this quickly. And the cinnamon, the spices, the vanilla is really good. That just brings a lovely, lovely flavor to it. So what we're going to use, you can use a sweet condensed milk to sweeten it. You can use some sugar, which I'm going to be using, you know. A little bit of sweet condensed milk, roughly about 2 tablespoons. Lovely. And I'm already put the salt in it, so it's perfect, good to go. I'm just gonna simply sweeten it now. That is coming out really lovely and nice. Look at that, beautiful. Let's taste it. Perfect oats porridge, guys. This is just amazing. And it's just getting thick and thicker, you know? And that's what I'm looking for. That is beautiful. Look at it. See that? It's amazing. That is fantastic, guys. Beautiful. Just gonna be ready in the next few more minutes. And then we're gonna share it out, alright? As I'm a person, I love my oats porridge. So I use 2 cups of milk, 3 packs of oats. Good to go. Now if you just cook down, and you're gonna get really thick and lovely and nice. Lovely and nice. Now this is finished. And that's what I call a perfect oats porridge. Alright, let's share it out. Turn off our stove and we are good to go. Lovely and nice. Now this is it. Simple. See that? That's exactly what you're looking for. Have this in the morning. Can't go wrong, alright? And you don't have to use sweet condensed milk. You can use brown sugar and sweeten it. You can use syrup or honey and sweeten it. So enjoy it. And I'm using semi-skim milk, which is more healthier. You can use almond milk. You can use rice milk. You can use, you know what I mean, whatever kind of milk you like to use, you can use, guys. But it's just a simple little recipe which you can make in the morning. Oats porridge. It's very healthy and good for us. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave a comment in the below, and I will see you next time with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.